perfect place to live and play. CBS One family-owned home features great room concept, split-bedroom plan, updated baths, vaulted ceilings and stone wood-burning fireplace. Kitchen has oak cabinets, granite countertops with breakfast bar and newer appliances. Sliding glass doors to open deck for chilling and grilling. Sit back and enjoy the wildlife and views of stock ponds connected by canal with bridge. Fish off the platform deck with electric. 2,712 square feet concrete center barn with tool room, hobby room with wall air conditioner, 4 separate storage rooms, sink area and covered area perfect to convert to stalls. Dually fence, 50x150 irrigated garden area, octagon wood deck with bench seating and swing built around mature oak tree. All on 5 acres, paved road, private gate, close to schools, shopping and both Florida's Turnpike and I-95.